Most people have never actually made a ham. I'm not talking a glazed one or a reheated one. I mean made one. This started as a fresh leg of pork nearly 3 weeks ago. Salt, sugar, cure, and time. Now it hangs over a live fire in a custom reverse flow smoker built for one purpose: patience. A real ham is transformed long before smoke ever touches it. The cure changes everything: texture, flavor, color. Salt penetrates deep into muscle while sugar balances and rounds everything out. Then comes the injection. With a piece this size, surface curing alone isn't enough. The cure has to reach to the center, especially around the bone. Miss this step and the ham never fully develops. This is where the process really begins. Now it rests, and over the next 2.5 weeks, the cure slowly works through the meat. You can actually watch the color deepen as the process takes hold. Nothing rushed, nothing forced, just time doing its job.
Good morning, everybody. We're gonna have a fun day today. We're gonna break this guy out. You know, this is my baby. This is where it sits. But we got some fun stuff going. So I'm gonna show you what I go through to get this thing going. So this is a custom cover built for a custom grill. Basically, we just come up here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna set our app to 225 for 12 hours. No, what we're gonna do, we're gonna own the fire today. So we're gonna start with some kindling. I cut this kindling down nice and small. So come in here, we're gonna layer it in. Then we're gonna come in here with some gas. Propane gas, that is. So we're gonna let this get going. We're gonna start this up. We're gonna open up these dampers here. Okay, here we go. The moment we've been waiting for. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make a knot here. So you didn't think I was gonna fit, did you? Honestly, the first time I did it, I didn't think it was gonna fit either. So I'm gonna do a double loop here. Not that I need one, but I am gonna do a double loop. Then we're gonna come back this way, and we're gonna do another loop. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is another loop. But on this loop, this is the trick I've learned. See, we learn about these things as we go. This is just like a little safety thing, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come down in here, and that's how I'm gonna hang the ham.
Now the fire enters the picture. This is a 250-gallon reverse flow stick burner built for long cooks and clean smoke. No pellets, no shortcuts, real fire management. Cherry wood today, low temperature, clean combustion, steady airflow. This is what gives ham like this depth instead of bitterness. Once the ham is netted and hooked, it's ready to hang. Hanging allows smoke and heat to move evenly around the entire surface while the fat slowly renders and the exterior develops color. At this point, the work is already done. Now it's about control. Owning the fire. And this is the payoff, the deep mahogany color on the outside, beautiful cured pink all the way through the center, smoke, cure, fire, all layered over nearly 3 weeks. This isn't something you throw together overnight. This is built. Most people buy ham, but when you cure it yourself, smoke it yourself, manage the fire yourself, you understand what it's actually supposed to taste like. The texture changes, the depth changes, everything changes. That's the difference between cooking something and crafting it. Command the flame, rule the craft, own the fire.